Since 2020, the SEC claimed XRP's $1.3 billion sales were illegal securities. Ripple fought back. July 2023, a judge said retail XRP isn't a security. Now, the SEC's out, dropped the appeal, slashed the $125 million fine talks. X posts say it's a commodity now, like Ethereum. This is crypto's biggest win yet. Why is this important? 1. Legal clarity. XRP's free to soar. X predicts $5 to $10 by 2025. Some say $20 if ETFs hit. 2. Institutional cash. Franklin Templeton's ETF filing makes 17 ETFs already. Green light now. Will BlackRock now make its move? I believe so. 3. Crypto precedent. The SEC's backing off Coinbase, Kraken too. Your $500 could 10x now. This is the news we have all been waiting for. Don't wait. XRP's time is now. The XRP case drop changes everything. $40 to $60 by 2025 could now finally be possible. Subscribe now. I will be watching this closely and posting real factual updates as they happen. This is my financial journey, real wealth, real moves, real story. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next one.